just want to show you my bike and everything that's going on with it right now. There's a frog. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's go. So there it is, 2007 Gixxer 750. My husband put the plastics on there while I was gone. He also put on a cage because I will drop it. It's just what I do. It is also lowered to about 2 inches, maybe a little more. You can't see that, but that's the stock kickstand, and we have another one that I want to put on there. We're going to do that in a few days. So I just wanted to show you guys what it actually looks like, and I'm super excited to ride it. Okay, let's go inside. Hello, pumpkins. Hi, Cannon. And here are some other things. This is just one of the plastic that was on there before. The color scheme of it is also not stock, but this is what it looked like. Kind of a light blue and a dark blue. These are the tank pads I want to put on. Help me grip better on the sides. We'll see how that looks. And this is the kickstand. It's got a wide foot, so that should be nice. And we'll do that sometime this week. Okay guys, that was all the bike stuff I wanted to show you. So today's Saturday. I took all the next week off, so we're going to be practicing riding probably a lot of the week and installing some things. But we live in a very hilly area, so I'm going to practice starting and going up hills and down hills. And I haven't ridden in about 8 years, so lots of practice going on. So thanks for coming to watch me, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.